All right, kiddos. Hey, it's Miss Ayers. I am here today to talk to you guys about Unit 4 vocabulary. All right, so Unit 4, the title of Unit 4 is Survival. Repeat after me, survival. Okay, survival is a noun. How many syllables does survival have? Survival. 3. All right. Now, the definition for survival means to continue to live or the continuation of life. Okay, so for example, there are many people in Houston who are surviving the coronavirus outbreak. Okay, surviving is to stay alive. Come. Okay. Hey, Sandy. All right, so let's look at survival. Here's some pictures about survival, or here are some pictures that reflect survival. You have a woman here who is killing the zombies because she wants to survive. Okay. You have a man here who is surviving in the ocean because he has on his life jacket. Okay. All of these pictures reflect some type of survival or staying alive. Okay. All right. So let's get into it. Unit 4 vocabulary. Repeat after me. Damage. Damage. Defenseless. Defenseless. Die. Die. Fear. Fear. Injured. Injured. Powerful. Powerful. Recover. Recover. Weak. Weak. All right. So here, guys, we have our 8 vocabulary words for the unit. Let's talk about them. All right, damage. Damage can be a verb, but in this case, damage is a noun. Remember, nouns are people, places, animals, things, ideas. Okay. So in this case, damage is a noun. All right. And damage means to harm or hurt. Okay. Now, an example. The fire did a lot of damage to the chair. The fire did a lot of damage to the chair. It harmed the chair. It hurt the chair. Okay, it caused the chair harm. It caused the chair hurt. The fire did a lot of damage to the chair. Okay, next word, repeat, defenseless. Defenseless. Defenseless is an adjective. Remember, adjectives describe something or someone. Okay, so defenseless means without protection. Okay, without protection. So here, for example, the poor kitten is defenseless against the bear. Okay, so for example, if there was a big old bear who was coming to attack Sandy, right? Sandy would be defenseless because she cannot stop the bear. All she can do is run, 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 run. Okay? The poor kitten is defenseless or without protection against the bear. Next word, repeat after me, die. Die. Die is a verb. Remember, verbs are action words. Okay? Verbs are action words, something that can be done. Okay? When a person, plant, or animal stops living. Okay? So, for example, the flowers died because I did not water them. Okay? If you look at the picture over here, the flowers no longer have life. They died. Okay? Because I did not give them water. Okay? Next word, repeat. Fear. Fear. Fear is a noun. Okay? It is a feeling. It is something. Okay? The feeling when you are afraid. Ah! For example, he does not like insects, right? He's afraid. Oh my God. He's fearful. He has a fear of insects. Some people have a fear of insects. Some people have a fear of insects, like you see here. He's like, oh no. All right. Next word, repeat after me. Injured. Injured. Oh, you know what? We need to change this. If injured is an adjective, we need to change our sentence. Okay? So we can say the injured soccer player is in pain. Okay? So now it's in adjective form. Before it was a verb. Okay? So injured in this case is an adjective, which means hurt. Okay? The injured soccer player is in pain, like you see here. The injured soccer player is in pain. All right? Next word, repeat after me. Powerful. Powerful. Powerful is an adjective. Again, adjectives describe something or someone. Okay? When something is powerful is when something is very strong, super strong, all right? Like the president is very powerful. The governor is very powerful. The mayor is very powerful, okay? Another example, your thoughts are powerful. Your thoughts are powerful. So in your mind, if you believe that you cannot do something, then you cannot do it. In your mind, if you believe you can do something, yes, you can, because your thoughts are powerful. Okay? All right, I believe this is the last word. Oh no, second to last. Repeat after me. Recover. Recover. Recover is a verb, which means it is an action. And recover means to get better after being hurt or sick. Okay? So for example, if someone is in the hospital and they're sick, but now they are no longer sick, they have recovered. Okay, they have recovered. So I have two examples here. The first one says, after surgery, it is important to rest in order to recover or to get better. Okay, in Houston, we have many people who are recovering from the coronavirus. Okay. Next example, many people in Texas have recovered from COVID-19. There's another example. Okay. Last word is weak. Let's move me over here. Weak. Repeat. Weak. Weak is an adjective. Okay. Baby animals are too weak to stand. And I apologize. Weak means not strong. Okay. So this little baby giraffe that you're seeing here, it is not strong. He or she is very weak. Okay? All right, guys, this concludes our Unit 4 vocabulary. Let's see if we can go back. Let's go back to this page. And let's review our vocabulary. Repeat after me. Damage. Defenseless. Die. Fear. Injured. Powerful. Recover. Weak. All right, guys. This has concluded our Unit 4 vocabulary.